You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to our podcast, and today we're walking through the TOR application process step by step. Let's ensure your move to the UK is as smooth as possible. First, let's talk about eligibility requirements. To be eligible for transfer of residence or TOR to the UK, certain requirements must be met to ensure a smooth relocation process. First, applications must have lived outside the UK for at least 12 consecutive months before their move. This residency rule ensures that the relocation qualifies as a legitimate transfer of primary residence. Additionally, the individual must transfer their primary residence to the UK, signifying a significant change in their living place. Another key condition is that items brought into the UK under TOR must be for personal use. This excludes any goods intended for resale. This restriction helps maintain compliance with custom regulations and supports the program's purpose. Meeting these eligibility criteria is essential for avoiding unnecessary custom duties and ensuring a seamless transition to the UK. Failure to adhere to these requirements could result in delays or additional costs. Understanding these conditions can make the TOR application process much more straightforward. Now, let's talk about gathering your documents. Here are the things you're going to need. The TOR 01 application form. This is available on the UK government's website. Secondly, proof of residency abroad, such as utility bills or rental agreements that span at least 12 months. Third, a detailed packing list with item descriptions and estimated values. And 4, copies of your passport and visa. Finally, receipts for high-value items like cars or antiques. Now, what about submitting your application? Submitting your documents to the National Clearance Hub, or the NCH, can be done with email. Ensure that all files are clear and properly labeled. Aim to send your application at least 10 days before your shipment arrives in the UK. Let's avoid some common mistakes. First, double check your paperwork. Priya, one of our listeners, shared with us how forgetting her packing list delayed her shipment and added storage fees. Without the packing list, customs couldn't verify the content of her shipment, which led to additional scrutiny and longer processing items. This oversight not only cost her extra money, but also delayed the delivery of her belongings by several weeks. This added stress to her already challenging move. That's it for today. And we're talking about applying for a TOR, but in our next episode, we're going to discuss the unique challenges of TOR in the UK and how you can overcome them. So don't miss it. SDC International Shipping is your go-to international moving company, offering tailored services that take the stress out of relocating abroad. From Los Angeles to New York and everywhere in between, we proudly serve all 50 states with reliable coast-to-coast support. Let our experienced international movers handle the logistics while you focus on your exciting new beginning. Check out our website to learn more.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.